I feel like to know me is to never know peace. My fear is that you'll see what he saw in me, then you'll do what he did, and you'll leave. What you should know is that I'm a mess. That is something enough I can't stress. And I'm afraid you'll end up loving me less. I've been told I'm like a sunflower. I inhibit growth. But you're like the blue sky and the sun both. You nourish everything, and that is your oath. I told you, I'm unlovable and complicated. I never meant to get you so aggravated. But you turned it around, and love is what you demonstrated. You said you don't have to comfort me, but that you get to. You make it sound like a privilege. You sound tried and true. And I think the love we share has been long overdue. You reassure me randomly and tell me that I'm great. I'm sorry, I'm not used to that, and sometimes don't reciprocate. But I hope you keep your patience and that we don't separate. All I can promise is to try to do better and pray really hard you enjoy my love letters. Then maybe one day we can achieve peace together.